we're going to learn about the first definition of acids and bases, the Arrhenius definition, and then learn how to name acids and bases. So first of all, according to the Arrhenius definition, an acid is a compound that contains hydrogen that's going to ionize to yield hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. Notice I also have next to hydrogen ion proton, because basically what a proton is, it's a hydrogen ion. Now remember, as soon as hydrogen ion is going to form, it's immediately going to react with any water that's present to form hydronium. The terms hydrogen ion and hydronium can be used interchangeably. Some examples of some acids would be like hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, and acetic acid. In order to be an acid, you have to have at least one hydrogen that can be ionized. And in the case of all of these acids, the hydrogens that I'm underlining, or circling rather, are the ones that can be ionized. When it comes to naming acids, all acids will have the general formula of HX, where X is an anion. So let's take a look at a few different scenarios. First of all, if the name of the anion ends in IDE, then what will happen is the acid name will begin with the prefix hydro. The stem of the anion will then be added, and then we have the suffix IC, followed by the word acid. So for example, if we take HCl, Cl is the chloride anion, therefore the name of this acid would be hydrochloric acid. If the anion ends in ITE, what's going to happen now is we're going to take the stem of the anion followed by OUS and then acid. For example, H2SO3, SO3 2- is a sulfite anion, therefore we have sulfurous acid. And finally, if the anion ends in the letters ATE, then we take the stem of the anion with the suffix IC followed by the word acid. So for example, HNO3, NO3 is a nitrate anion, therefore we have nitric acid. Now when it comes to bases, we're going to find that these things will be hydroxides that will yield hydroxide anion in aqueous solution. Now, all the bases that we're going to be looking at according to the Arrhenius definition are salts. Therefore, they're going to be named as a salt. So for example, NaOH would simply be sodium hydroxide.